Welcome to my real tour. Today, papakita ko sa inyo yung ref namin, right? So, let's go! Alright.
Hiya! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia of Jul Real Life. Maraming naiintriga about our raft. So today, we're gonna do a rift tour or what's inside my raft. So, join with me guys as ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga laman-laman nito. And then, just hang in there, sit back, and relax as we welcome you all to my fridge or raft. Yan po, all in all, pagbukas, yan na. And then, dito naman, papakita ko po sa inyo ano ang side dito. And then, ano naman ang side dito. Tsaka kung anong mga nilalagay namin sa ref namin. Tsaka, papakita ko po sa inyo, papakita ko po sa inyo ang ilalim and then how it is functionable for us and our family. So, yan. Daming mga compartment ng ref namin. So, again guys, let's get it done. Okay. Po sana ang gaano kalaki. Hindi naman siya, normal lang siya na size I guess dito sa US. And medyo matagal-tagal din kaming hindi nakabili ng bagong ref guys. Kasi we really careful about our spending. Papakita ko po sa inyo later kung ano ang mga functions dito. But meanwhile, dito na po, tuloy po kayo. Yan, nagla-lights po yan pag ino-open. So, let's start right here. On the side, ito po yung mga condiments namin or yung pag nagsasalad kami. This is for our pancake, tsaka barbecue sauce, yung mga na-open nating mga like steak sauce or salad sauce. Yan. And then, start tayo dito sa taas, all the way down. Yan, yung eggs natin. And then, dito yung mga fat-free na mga non-yogurt, mga sour cream, tsaka mga vanilla. Ito yung dalawang Filipino leftover. Hindi namin itatapon. And then, ito yung minamarinate kong what is that? Baby back ribs. Ang tagal nun na. And then, of course, Pinoy tayo, may bagoong, di ba? Barrio Fiesta, bagoong. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga, let's say, example, mga olive, mga ano pa ba dito, yung mga sauce, yung mga ginagamit namin, cold egg. Ito rin yung mga, dito din yung isa pang ginagamit natin. So, hindi ko na masyadong pupakita guys kasi that would take a while. Yung butter na gamit natin. By the way guys, I like to use this one because transparent. Makikita ko kung anong mayroon. And you know what guys, when you made a comment about how nice our ref is or na-appreciate nyo, I get inspired to do a ref tour. And at the same time, thank you because nalinisan ko yung ref. Nalinisan ko. And then what I like about I would like to see everything first hand kasi so that I know the inventory that I have. Kasi guys, naranasan ko na yung maliit na ref na hindi ko makikita kung anong inside. So, medyo magastos yun kasi ang iba nag-i-expire, ang iba natatapon. I call this side here as orange or yellow room. So this is where I put like the tomato, pag mayroon kaming fruit, and then although dito yung avocado kasi guys hindi namin nilalabas lahat ng avocado kasi tawag nito, madaot. And then I have like a carrot ready to eat, parang rabbit lang, right? So, and then yung mga bell pepper natin, I call this one as the green room. So dito yung pang salad natin, of course repolyo, yung sibuyas dahon, and then celery. We have the cucumber. This one right here, we have this side, dito ko naman nilalagay yung mga cheese. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga tortillas. Mahilig yung asawa ko sa taco and tortillas. Dito rin pag yung lumpia wrapper, pag naglulumpia ako. And then yung tortilla, flour tortilla. We like to make fresh bread. Kaya ito yung gusto namin ni Sammy. And then, of course, dito kung sakasakali pang madalian. And then let's go to the bottom here. You know what? Punta muna tayo dito. Dito guys, ito yung sa likod ng natin. Mga drinks. On that side, makikita mo agad-agad I put this one kasi so that Sammy can easily reach as to like water, tsaka Coke kasi yung daddy niya. So let me push this one by the way. Yan. Nag-open yan. And then, so Coke kasi matangkad yung daddy niya, so nakukuha niya agad-agad. Of course, water if Sammy wants water. And then ito, favorite namin, yung Lipton iced tea, peach, yung flavor. Tapos dito yung mga little snack with Sammy. And then, sarado natin yan. Ibukas natin. Pwede din siyang buksan dito sa gilid guys. Yan. Yan. Kasi minsan dito nilalagay ni Sammy yung pag mayroon siyang nilalagay kasi it's easier for her. So, it's very convenient guys, as I've said. Medyo matagal-tagal din kaming hindi nakapag-buy ng ref. Then, let's go the bottom side. Again, yung brand namin is LG. Okay, let's open the bottom. Ang brand namin is LG. Our ref is nothing like special and this is not any form of bragging. Okay guys, dito may ice dito. Dito yung ice cream. Dito yung mga ice cream bar, mga yogurt, mahilig kami yan, yung pancake, yung mga konti lang na dito ko nilalagay kasi para makita ko, of course, yung french fries. And then ano to? Ito yung lumpia tsaka dumplings. So see, simple lang naman. Tsaka yung blue, that's kind of like ice if mag-travel kami. Diyan namin nilalagay. Okay. So, siniseparate ko guys yung dito. Paano ko ba? Dito ko nilalagay yung mga meat. Tsaka, you know what guys? What I like about like, nung konti lang kasi makikita mo kung ano eh. This is chicken. This is yung ground beef. Tsaka yung mga meat. And then of course the corn. Tsaka yung mga meat. Nilalagay ko. What I did is that I buy in bulk and then nilalagay ko sa Ziploc para ma-portion ko na para pagluto ko hindi na siya marami or kulang. So, in this area, may pizza kami. And yan. May tawag nito. Mahirap pala no. Pag ikaw lang talaga. Yung lasagna. And then yung shrimp, chicken nuggets ni Sammy, tsaka yung ano natin, para pang smoothie natin na floors. So, this is pretty much what we have on our fridge. Not that special. Nothing fancy. So, ito naman yung mga pang water. Dito mo lalagay, sandali. Show you guys the functions on this one. So, this one, pwede pag may bata ka or ayaw mong pabuksan yung ref, pwede mong i-lock yan. And then, this is kind of like the current temperature inside the ref. And then, pwede siya pang Wi-Fi. Yes, pwede siya Wi-Fi. And then, what's this right here? This is kind of like a water filter. Tapos, ito yung Wi-Fi, ano daw. Hindi ko alam ano yan. Basta, magagamit yan sa Wi-Fi. Kasi guys, this is kind of like connected. Pwede mong i-open. So, yan. Pag andyan ka sa cubes yung lalabas. And of course, if you wanna ito pinapakita ko lang guys ha. This is actually the normal na ito yung mga ref dito guys. So this one is water. So of course water yung lalabas. This one is kind of like crushed ice kung ayaw mo naman ng malalaki. So yan. So okay, natatapon. Once again guys, magbabayad tayo ng mahal sa kuryente kasi binuksan natin. Yan yung yan yung laman sa loob. Yan, pinapakita ko niya yan. And then, guys, so yun yung pinakita natin what's in our ref, diba? Or fridge, and whatever you may call it. So, thank you so much guys for hanging out on me. Again, sasabihin ko lang po na it takes a while for us to buy a new fridge. Dati, pagdating ko dito, medyo talagang may kalumaan na, but it's very functionable, so kaya hindi kami bumili. Until it's about time na bumili kami last year, December. So, yung last ref namin is like about 26 years din. Yes. And you know what? Hindi kami bibili ng mahal or brand unless it's necessity. And unless, nakikita ko yung sarili ko. Unless necessity or unless kailangan talaga. So, nice kung may lights, diba? So, anyway, guys, again, what I like about having this fridge is that I can see all my inventories. Kasi dati, guys, ang dami kong tinatapon kasi hindi ko nakikita. And then, bago ako pumunta sa grocery store, I really need to list. Pero ito, gaya nito, pero hindi na susunod yan every time pupunta ako kasi wala na pala kami dito, konti na lang pala dito, ganon. So, you know, I like to get an inventory first before coming so that I know what kind of meat that I have and that anong ingredients or anong vegetables ang kailangan kong bilhin para first in, first out tayo, diba? Ganyan tayo mga nanay, diba? So, tsaka tayo, dapat matipid tayo to save us money and to help our husbands and our finances as well. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribing yet to my channel, I would like to invite you to consider subscribing. Please click and like and hit that notification bell for more updates on and more videos, right? Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to be good and be kind. This is Juliet of Jewel Real Life. Bye, y'all.